Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and stopping by for the first time, welcome. My name is Faith and I do cleaning, cooking, working out, well, basically anything. Whatever I feel like uploading. My upload days are Tuesdays and Saturdays. This last Saturday I didn't upload because I had to work. So sometimes I won't be uploading on Saturdays if I work. Otherwise, I do upload Tuesdays and Saturdays. If you like what you see, stick around for a while and join the family by subscribing and clicking the bell next to it so you're notified when I upload again. Anywho, what we're doing here is I am cleaning my room. Y'all, this took me like 4 hours because I deep cleaned my room. Like deep cleaned. Really deep cleaned. I mean, I like got rid of loads and loads of clothes and did laundry. And I'm still currently doing laundry. So maybe in the next clip, I'll include a few clips of laundry and cleaning the bathroom. I was trying to do all other cleaning, but I didn't have time for that. My room took a long time to do. So I was quite tired after that, so I decided to save the bathroom and the family room for another video clip. Anyways, here I'm just kind of straightening things out, and those clothes you see, that was 5 loads of laundry. Those were clean. They were. I washed all of those. I just hadn't put them away. But the kids thought it was fun and okay to put dirty clothes with clean clothes, and now they all stink, so I have to rewash them. Not fun. I don't like doing laundry at all. Anyways, I'll let you watch the video, and I'll pop back in here and there to add a few words. Hey guys, sorry about that. I just now noticed my camera was sideways for these last clips. Don't know what happened, but oh well.
Okay, you can.
I have no idea what I'm doing here, but probably getting a garbage bag because there was a lot of garbage in front of this closet. And now we're cleaning under and in between the bed and the floor and trying to get everything all situated. I have stuff on the bed because I'm all over the place in this video. I don't clean one thing at a time. It's like I'm all over the place in my room. And that picture that you see on the wall above the bed, I'm actually hanging 2 more pictures besides it, one on each side, to go with it. And everything goes together somehow in here. It does. It really does. Trust me. So comment below and tell me how many of y'all love doing laundry. Laundry and dishes are my least favorite. I do not like the dishes, and I do not like doing laundry. And I'd have to say the bathroom cleaning is along in there too, but I don't mind doing that at least. I can make that fun, but laundry and dishes, I just dread those. I hate those. I absolutely hate those. Comment below, let me know what your favorite thing to clean is, and how many times a week do you clean your bedrooms and your bathrooms and your laundry, and how many times a week do you vacuum and mop? Let me know below. Also, I was thinking about doing a nighttime and morning routine. If you're interested or would be interested in seeing those, what I do for a nightly basis and a morning basis, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be glad to get one up for you. Or 2, one in the morning and one at night. Let me know which one you prefer to see or if you want to see both. Y'all, I felt like this room was a never-ending process. I felt like I was never gonna get done with it. What am I talking about? There's just me in here cleaning. I felt like I was never gonna get done with it, ever. It just felt like it was going on and on and on. And then we have the bed, the dreaded bed. I have a king-size bed, which is against the wall. I'm currently trying to decide if I want to switch my room around to move my king-size bed a different way so I can have an easy access to making it, because y'all, let me tell you, making that bed in this clip, now I'm looking at it and realizing exactly how difficult it was to make that bed. Oh my gosh, it was a chore, let me tell you, a chore to make it. But you know what? At the end of cleaning this room, I was sweating like I had been working out for like 30 minutes. And it was a workout. Up and down, all over the place. Working out. It took me like almost 3 hours to clean this room. So no wonder I was sweating so bad. You guys love the look on my face. I am so tired right here, you guys. I'm just like, can this be done? I'm just trying to hurry up now. Now I'm trying to speed through the process because I am so tired and I just want to be done, y'all. It was so tiring. I mean, really tiring. I mean, I don't even know how it accumulated to get that bad, because it's not like I don't keep my room clean. I do keep my room clean, but it just seemed like it was so bad for some reason, and it took so long to do. And my room actually naturally accumulates dust fastly. And now I'm showing you the closet is all clean and everything's stacked in there nice and neat. And we're seeing the closet wall for some reason. Oh, we're showing clothes. And I'm shutting the doors. And then I'm going to eventually show you the other side. And I cut out the part while I was struggling to shut the doors on the side because one of the doors came out of its hinge. It was not fun to put it back in either. But anyways, oh look, my kitty came in to join me. I'll let you finish watching this, and then after this I think you're going to see some clips of me working out and some pictures like I promised I would show you. There are pictures on here. Yes, I did follow through on my promise. Yes. Oh look, it is finally done. We finished the room. Oh, what a relief, you guys. What a relief. I stopped right here because I realized I didn't put a piece back on the window that I had taken off to wipe down. Ah, there it is. A wooden piece my sister made for me that says beautiful. And you guys, I am aware that my blanket does not match my quilts or my sheets or my room at all. But when your girl can't afford blankets, she just uses whatever she's got. One thing at a time. I started with some sheets. I'm going to get some new pillows and a comforter that matches eventually. Anywho, you guys, I am so relieved that this is organized and cleaned. Now it's easier to maintain. And like I said, it's not like I let it get super bad. It was just like dusty, and it just felt like it was dirty. It was just so dusty. I can't even explain it. It was just so dusty. And I dust it every weekend or every other day. And still it gets dusty like I hadn't done anything in days. Comment down below and tell me how you guys all keep your house from getting dusty. Well, here's my pictures like I promised, and my little workout clips. The elliptical, as I'm saying in this clip, is my all-time favorite. all-time favorite. Hey Faith, I just got done working out. I took some pictures for you of me because I kind of want to show you what I look like now because I'm keeping track of this weight loss progress. And let me show you here what I worked out on. Here, I'll turn it. This right here, this is my new BFF. That elliptical, when you do it for 30 minutes, is the bomb. I don't know why I didn't start with it. I really, really loved it. I'm so glad I started working out on it. Anyways, I look like a hot mess. But I just thought I would check in and show you guys my little workout. I'll throw this clip in my next video. Alright, bye guys. See ya later. It is currently 10:35, so I'm gonna go home. Bye. Okay guys, so now I'm prepping apples because I'm gonna make my apple cake. And I used about 4 Gala apples, and I peeled them and cut them into small pieces, like diced them. Not really diced them, but there were still some chunks in there. And then what I did was put them in a pan with 2 tablespoons of butter and a little bit of oil, and sauteed them until they were soft, not mushy, but soft, with a little flour and some cinnamon, and that was it. And maybe a splash of water because they were kind of dry. These ones weren't quite as juicy as they normally are. And then for the dough, I am using this dough that's the mixture's already made. You just add water, but I doctored it up a little bit. I put cinnamon and nutmeg and pumpkin spice, and I know you're like, pumpkin spice? This is an apple cake. It tastes good though, you guys. It's really yummy. And Splenda and a little bit of flour, and I mixed her up and made her up. And then I did sift the flour too. It made the cake turn out really moist and fluffy. I'm really trying to show you here in time-lapse mode what I'm using. That's why I'm talking over the thing. And vanilla extract. I used little teensy bits of vanilla extract. Not a lot, just a teeny bit. Mixed it all up. Added dough like I needed to. I don't know about you guys, but I always seem to get flour all over myself and on the counters and on the floor. I can never bake neatly. See, as you can see, my shirt's all covered in flour. But the end product was delicious. Okay, I don't really know why there was that blank space there, but apparently I'm back now mixing some more, looks like. Oh yes, mixing some more. I'm gonna knead the dough on the flour space there. And I ended up making a lot of dough, so I split it into 2 pieces, and I made a bottom layer and a top layer with the apples in the middle. It's pretty good, you guys. It's pretty delicious, like I said before. It is yummy. In here, you're going to see me rolling it out. You guys, I had a hard time rolling this dough out. I don't know, it was just not cooperating with me, and then I was getting stuck, and then making holes, and just not working out. So, but you can't tell because I'm speeding the process up. And I did put some more cinnamon in there, and then this time, in the filling middle part, I added brown sugar. The Splenda blend of brown sugar. And you see there's diabetics in the house, so I needed to make it with Splenda so that we could all eat it. Because I'm not the only one that's diabetic, my mom is too. So, and then here it is all finished up, ready to go in the oven. I baked it at 350 for about 40 minutes or so. Well, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like what you see. Subscribe and hit the bell next to it for notifications. Bye. Love you.